The Director device supports connection with DJI wireless microphones, enabling real-time capture of clear human voices for your live streams. It enhances audio performance and helps create a professional live broadcasting experience. This video will take DJI Mic 2 as an example to demonstrate the connection steps and practical usage tips in detail to get you started quickly. First, turn on both the receiver and transmitter and check if the connection is working properly. Plug the Type-C adapter into the receiver, making sure it is fully inserted. Connect the adapter to the USB-C or USB-A interface of the Director device. In the pop-up window, turn on the audio of the microphone. Open the audio mixer. You can see the volume meter named as USB audio, under which the mic name is scrolling. Drag the slider to adjust the volume. Tap the speaker button at the bottom to turn the mic sound on or off. Tap the headphone icon to solo monitor the mic sound. You can also use a 3.5mm audio cable to connect the out port of the receiver and the mic or line-in port of the Director device respectively. In the pop-up window, select Mic. Open the audio mixer, and the mic device will be the DJI Mic 2. Drag the slider to adjust the volume. Tap the speaker button at the bottom to turn the mic sound on or off. Tap the headphone icon to solo monitor the mic sound.